Connor, I've got to be honest with you, that was a bit boring.
Oh.
And the audience agreed.
Oh, no. They loved it. They were loving it.
You have a second song?
What was that?
Do you have a second song?
I do. Cause you lift my heart up when the rest of me was down. And you shine me even when you're not around. And if there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. And I'm all latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. Cause now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of your. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. Cause now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you, no. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. Feel like we're close enough that I like in your love. Yeah. Cause now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of your. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. This is what it's all about. These are the moments we live for. Once in a lifetime, everything we want and more. This is the start of a new day, a good life. Ooh, these are the moments we live for.
Connor, thank you very much. Do you have a third song? No, I'm kidding.
I could
Okay.
if you want.
Okay, Sophia.
Usually when Simon asks, even though it's annoying, when he asks for a second song, he's right. This one was so much better. And
Thank you.
your voice is beautiful.
Thank you so much.